Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining Xfinity Home Internet in 2026, including the best plans, pricing, features, and whether it is worth using in 2026. Now, Xfinity is one of the biggest internet providers in the United States, but is it really the best choice for your home? Let's break it down in today's video. So you can come here on xfinity.com/learn/internet service in order to understand its features more. Now, Xfinity mainly uses the cable network, which means internet comes through the coaxial cables instead of the full fiber. Now, some areas also get fiber powered upgrades, but most of the connections are still cable based. If we talk about its plan and pricing, so Xfinity plans start at around $30 per month for the basic 100 Mbps speeds and about $40 per month for 300 Mbps speeds. The mid-tier plans like 500 Mbps cost around $45 to $55, while their gig plan is going to cost around $60 per month for 5 years. Now the speed range from 100 Mbps to 2 Gbps or more. The download speeds are fast and reliable, but upload speeds are usually lower as compared to the fiber internet. Now this is important if you do a lot of uploading and live streaming. Most of the Xfinity plans now include unlimited data, Wi-Fi equipment, and no long-term contracts. They also offer a 5-year price guarantee in many plans, plus access to the millions of public Wi-Fi hotspots across the country. Now, Xfinity is one of the most widely available providers in the United States. It covers a large number of cities and states, but you can also check the availability by entering your address after clicking on this particular option. Now, its availability makes it very accessible option as compared to many other fiber provider services. Now, the main downside is pricing increases after the promotional period in some plans. Also, since it is a cable internet, speeds can slow down during the peak hours in the crowded areas. So the real question here is, should you actually go for it or is it actually worth it? So Xfinity is a great option if you want fast download speeds, wide availability and flexible plans. But if fiber is available in your area, that will usually give you better performance, especially for the uploads and consistency. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.